You will unlock the door. How much flour?
Aww. Yeah, grab the that one. Put some flour on the surface. I need a
What are you doing, Zach? Okay, 2 boys are missing. Levi and Jeremiah come in. Coco, you wish you could help, huh?
Coco doesn't have the brains for it. He's only as smart as a 2-year-old.
What's the
That's all those are cans.
The yellow.
All the icing is ready.
I can eat this one. No.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't.
Let's just say if you take a bite out of that, you're not going to be able to see the Christmas cookies next year. How do we only have one shoot? Nobody.
Because you'll die? What?
We'll be in hospital. Coco.
There you go,
Like
the different green.
everyone.
There you go, yeah.
But that
Better?
one was like, you know, like the
Looks like foresty green. Yeah, I see.
foresty.
Oh, that's so
Like a
cute.
forest symbol, but that's a chaos symbol.
Who did that one?
Like
The king does me.
I'm gonna get
My
that.
King Ezekiel.
Oh.
Now make
does
the
King Ezekiel
make
have?
all the emeralds. I mean,
Because he's old.
I can't make all. I only made one.
Oh.
I didn't have enough time to make all 7. That would have been cool though if I did make all 7. Would you vote for me if I made all 7?
No.
What are you eating it all for?
Prime Minister.
Because it's food.
It's a picture of me
It's
just
also
eating
sugar.
it, just like, oh.
No, this sucks at spreading.
You want the knife?